The jump rope lateral shuffle. One of the more athletic and functional steps in all of rope jumping. I'm Tim Haft. You're looking at Shana Brady from Punk Rope, who is in the midst of a lateral shuffle bonanza. All right, so I'm gonna have Shana, just there she goes, dead center. Lateral shuffle, something you've probably seen quite a bit in athletic training without a jump rope. You see it in basketball training, football, tennis, number of sports. Essentially it starts with a mini squat, nice flat back, hips go back, and then feet are basically parallel, trying not to turn out that lead foot too much. And from that position, the lead foot slides out to the side and the trail foot catches up. So with jump rope, we're just adding a coordination challenge. But as with all steps, we're going to start without the rope. Shana's going to put her cherry bomb rope down on the ground. Hands are in front. Now this is different than your typical jump rope stance because your feet are split. They could start together, but they're going to end up split right away. And so Shana's just going to mimic the motion without the rope. Step and slide, step and slide. She'll try a few each direction just to get comfortable with it. We're looking for things like the knees caving in. We don't want that to happen. We're looking for the back rounding, also something we don't want to happen. Okay? All right, so once you're comfortable with the footwork, you can pick up your rope, fold it in half, or grab a wrist trainer. And now Shana's going to try the same move while spinning her rope to the side. So this is the windmill swing. And most folks are going to have a preferred direction. They'll be more comfortable shuffling left or right. It's difficult to say until you try it, but it is interesting to pay attention and just be mindful of which direction feels more comfortable. All right, so now Shana's spinning with her non-dominant hand. And once you've done that, it's time to give the step a try while jumping through your rope. So you've got one handle in each hand. Now things that can get in the way would be trying to take too big a step right off the bat, or being indecisive. That's too big a step. You want to think to yourself, all right, I am going left or I am going right. So Shana will make that decision and I'll just follow her. And you see the distance of each stride is roughly the same. Nice. Now, the way to make this more challenging is to change direction more frequently and quicker. That becomes very difficult very quickly. Shana's doing a great job with that. And then another fun challenge that you can try with a partner would be to designate one partner as the leader and the other partner as the follower. And so the leader will start with the jump rope lateral shuffle and the follower will have to follow them. So you almost have to imagine that there's a ghost who's leading Shana, and she is in hot pursuit, keeping pace. It is a really fun and effective little drill. But that is probably one of the more interesting and difficult challenges with this step. Really great just for agility, general conditioning. It's going to build a little bit of strength. It's not something you'll do for a terribly long period of time. There's the backward turn just to spice things up a little bit. Definitely a leap forward in difficulty. So there you have it, guys, the jump rope lateral shuffle. Something we love for sports conditioning or just general conditioning. Thanks for joining us. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and visit us at punkrope.com. And please jot down your comments and questions below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you next time.